Hey, good morning, guys. I wanted to talk to you today about a topic that pissed me off. Keeping it Dutch kind of pissed me off. We got some bee bottom boards for the beehives. We're painting them. We got a lot of stuff going on. It is raining today. We're going to talk about the Dutch issue here in a second. I want to kind of show you guys a little bit of what we got going on. A lot of stuff going on in the Easter weekend. So these are getting painted. I had missed them when I painted everything else. That stuff's getting painted. Got some firewood stacking. Guys, we got this whole area out here getting cleared, or we just got it all cleaned up. This is the garden area. And back behind me, this whole area in here, there's gonna be a guy coming out today with a big piece of equipment, and he's gonna give us a quote on what it would cost to run his machine through there. That machine is forestry mulcher. It's got a giant like rotating blade thing on it. I'll show you guys if he winds up coming out. I think he's pretty reasonably priced. He's basically going to let us know how long it's going to take to do that section. The garden area. So if you guys are not familiar with the channel Keeping It Dutch is just shy of hitting 100,000 subscribers, guys. He's been at it for a few years. If you guys do not know, go check him out. There's going to be a link in the description to his page. You guys go over there. He's got a giveaway kind of going on right now. Get in on it. He's also doing a lot with some other channels. If you guys are a channel, go over, check out, get in on his collaboration with all these different channels that are going on right now. He's asked people to help him get him to that 100,000 subscriber mark, which brings us to the issue that pissed me off. So as some other channels are helping to generate interest in getting him to his 100,000 subscriber mark, someone had accused Dutch of being selfish, of this whole idea just being a self-centered idea. And I wanted to tell you guys a little story about Keeping It Dutch. So back when North Country Off-Grid was just getting started in YouTube, a little bit over a year ago, guys, we had about 300 subscribers. And back then, Dutch started doing Sunday shoutouts where it didn't matter what size channel you were. If you wanted him to give you a little bit of a shout out, try to help you get subs, build your channel, he did it. He gave everyone a shout out. You just let him know. He put everybody on a list. We wound up getting a shout out from Dutch, which really helped out our channel. We went from about 300 subscribers to I think about 6. I think he doubled our subscriber count in a matter of about 3 days, which was super cool to see. It's very hard. It's very hard when you're first starting out. There's a lot of work that goes into getting your first 1,000 subs, you know, and after that things start to roll, but those first 1,000 subs, it's pretty difficult stuff to get. So we really appreciate Keeping It Dutch helping us out. So it really pissed me off that somebody would go out there and say that he's just being selfish. You know, I've talked to Dutch on the phone personally, not having anything to do with YouTube, and you can tell he's a really good guy, deep down at heart, super good dude. So you guys go over there, support his channel, have him support your channel as well. He's happy to do it. There's no animosity with helping growing channels, especially from Dutch. He doesn't care if you're big, small. He's there to help you out, guys. There's a lot of channels like that. Connect with other channels, help grow each other. You know, it's a great way to grow your channel. So guys, Keeping It Dutch's collaboration video is just about, you know, getting the word out on his 100,000 subs, but he wants to know how homesteading changed our lives. And guys, there's not enough time in this video to even tell you all of the life-changing events that homesteading, living off-grid has provided for us, but it is our lifestyle now, and everything, stuff like this is self-growth out here. This is amazing for your soul, for your spirit. It's so cool to come out here and take a raw piece of land and turn it into something that is your something, your family's something, benefiting your family. You know, there's a transition here between going to the store and eating other people's food to growing your own food and being responsible for your own health and your own nutrition and your family's nutrition. But guys, I'm running out of time on this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, check us out. We've got all sorts of stuff going on, and you guys are about to see this thing become a nice little field for a garden. Got some equipment coming today for myself. I rented a skid loader. We've got that guy coming to check out this stuff over here. So we've got an equipment heavy weekend on top of being Easter weekend. And on the Easter weekend, guys, we do a giant Easter egg hunt for friends and family out here. We'll have a bunch of kids running all over the 20 acres. We hide hundreds and hundreds of eggs out here and just make it a good time and honor the weekend. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, get notifications of all of our upcoming or our recently released videos. Catch up with what we're doing. Go back, check out some videos. You like what you see? Push subscribe. Guys, we will catch you on the next one. Don't feed the bears.